Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the WH-1000 XM5. Charge fully to avoid interruptions, and install the Sony Headphones Connect app so settings sync easily. Once charged, press the power/Bluetooth button for about 2 seconds to power on. You'll hear a voice prompt confirming power. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the app. This lets you follow pairing prompts and grant permissions. Because the app controls firmware and sound presets, make sure to allow notifications so updates aren't missed, and then move to pairing. Once in pairing mode, select WH-1000 XM5 on your device. Confirm the passkey if prompted. After connected, use the Sony app to create a personal sound profile. This tailors EQ to your ears, improving clarity and bass response. Then configure adaptive sound control so the headphones change behavior based on activity and location. It saves battery and improves situational awareness. Make sure to set ANC strength and ambient mode levels. These trade off silence versus awareness, so adjust until voices and environmental noise sound natural. To finish setup, enable multi-point to connect 2 devices simultaneously so you can switch calls and media seamlessly. Once done, assign functions in the app. For example, speak to chat and quick attention are invaluable for brief conversations without removing the headphones. If you experience dropouts, make sure firmware is current. Updates fix stability and codec handling. As a last resort, reset or factory reset the XM5. Hold power plus NC for reset or follow the app's factory reset flow. If problems persist, retry pairing after a reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.